This is a demo of ScaleDB streaming tables. Streaming tables allow insertion rates of millions of rows per second for applications using fact and dimension tables. The demo uses a call center of a telco company to demonstrate the streaming table functionality. This demo is using a very small cluster of 2 machines for storage nodes and 4 machines for the database nodes. The machines are not the strongest machines. Those are 8-core commodity machines with 24 GB on the storage machines and 6 GB of memory on the database machines. The demo is using MariaDB version 5.53 as the user interface. We first show the table definitions. The indexes or dimensions which are updated during the inserts are the caller phone number, the receiver phone number, and there is a time index. The screen is split into 2 parts. On the top part, we run a query for all the calls from a particular phone number, and we will do first a query for phone number 489. So we retrieve all the rows. There are 5,870 rows for this phone. On the bottom part, we show the inserts. The inserts are done by 4 database nodes that are identified as Pacifica, Belmont, Santa Cruz, and Gilroy. So we start the inserts. As you could see, there are different machines that are updating the data, and each database node is using 10 threads for insert. As you could see, each thread is updating between 20,000 to 25,000 rows per second, which brings us with 10 threads on each of the 4 database nodes to about 800,000 to 1 million inserts per second. If we run the query again, before we add 5,870 rows for this phone number, we run the query again. This time we've got 6,519 rows. This query is running while the database is being updated. Again, you could see that the number of rows for this particular phone number is increased as the inserts progress. Right now we've got 6,893 rows, and we finished the inserts. We did in 70 seconds. We updated 60 million inserts. So we're getting close to about 1 million inserts per second in a very small cluster with small machines, 8-core machines, and we have showed that streaming table allows you to run very high insertion rate with a small ScaleDB cluster.
In the video you just saw, we demonstrated inserting almost 1 million rows per second. And this was using 6 commodity servers for a total cost of $12,000 in hardware. ScaleDB is capable of handling many million inserts per second simply by adding additional servers. This is ideal for real-time analytics of streaming data and complements existing streaming servers. It's very important to determine which tools you need to use based upon the job you're trying to accomplish. If what you want to do is run analytics against a single stream of data, a great way to do that is to stream that data directly into ScaleDB and then run the analytics, which can be any MySQL application. If you're looking to do on-the-fly transformations, filtering, things like that, that's where a stream server alone would be advantageous, and that might include Twitter Storm, Yahoo S4, LinkedIn Kafka, things like that. If, however, you have multiple streams that you want to normalize and merge into a single database, then you can use the stream servers to do the normalization on the fly, and then stream all of that data into a ScaleDB database for running various analytics and other applications. Thank you very much for your time.